Here is DiDi Rider app affordable rides, order a ride or food delivery. Sit back and relax in a DiDi, set your destination, choose your ride. So yeah, this is kind of like one of Uber alternative apps, and you can use it in some countries where Uber is not available, for example. So yeah, there are a bunch of services. There is DiDi Express, DiDi Economy, DiDi Taxi. You can also request a taxi by cell phone. DiDi Delivery, you can deliver something or package. Um, so yeah, let's just open the app. You can allow it like that. You can allow notifications, and then to get started, basically, you can just sign up with your mobile number, Facebook, Google, or Apple. For example, if I just want to sign up with Apple, this is how it works. And then basically you are in, so super fast. However, this app is not available in many countries. So, you just need to know where it operates actually. So Didi is originally like a Chinese company, as I understand. It has headquarters in China. Yeah, it was started back in 2016 or something. So it's available like in countries like Australia, Mexico, Brazil, Russia, New Zealand, Egypt, Kazakhstan, South Africa, and it's basically like as a list the most popular ride-sharing app in Latin America. So that's what I can see, at least from their Wikipedia page. And then you just have your trips here available. You just have your payment. You can pay with cash if you just want to pay with cash. You can also just add a payment method, credit, debit card. There are some discounts which if you want, you can just find them here. Then there is help section where you can just reach out to some help. Messages center, then there is safety center. Settings, here there's profile. So yeah, but basically how it works, you just enter the address where you want to go. You can also just pin location on the map, whatever, and then yeah, you can just set pickup point, and then you can just order it similar as you do on Uber or any other like ride sharing app. Then also you can just scan QR code, and that's basically the idea. So that's how you can use it for order some rides and all of that. So yeah, this app has a lot of promotions and different types of deals and different types of plans. As you can go and see here, there is like a DiDi Express, which is like one of the most popular ones, like cheap and safe trip with a qualified driver. There is DiDi Economy, cheaper travel, but then DiDi Taxi. You can also just request a taxi by cell phone. DiDi Delivery, so you can order deliveries. DiDi Flex, you choose the price of your trip. You can also order food, and DiDi Moto, better rates and faster rides. So you can also order food from restaurants with DiDi, similar as with Uber Eats. So select the payment method, and there is a cash payment available as well, but only in some cities. And the more you use this app, the more promotions and deals you can be offered. So that's quite handy. So yeah, just enter your if you want to order a trip on DiDi platform, just download the app, create your account, enter your location, destination, just select the payment, click confirm, and they will just find a driver nearby. So that's basically what it is. That's how you can get started with this app. Unfortunately, it's not available in Europe, so I'm not able to show you more details. Other thing is that available on Android? I think, of course, it is. And yeah, if you just travel into Latin America, that's one of the top apps you should definitely have on your trip, as it's like one of the most popular like kind of taxi apps there. So yeah, that's what it is basically. Hope it's helpful, and thanks for watching.